Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to inflate a foil number 5 balloon. Let's get started straight away. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK. To inflate the balloon with air, you're going to need a balloon hand pump. And let's open up this packet. I always open the balloon packet by hand. I don't use scissors because you can very easily cut the balloon. Open up the balloon. Just smooth it out and fold it. Okay. And you're looking for the valve here. So the valve will always be a tab that sticks out like this, and we've got a nice shiny silver circle here to show us exactly where it is. Take your hand pump and just insert your hand pump behind that little red tab. The tabs on these balloons aren't always red, but this one is, so that's really helpful. And then air inflate. This does take a few minutes. At this point I like to just send a little bit of air to the bottom just by pressing on the top here. So as you get to this point, you can see the balloon is starting to almost be fully inflated. At this point you need to proceed very carefully, because if we go too far it's very easy to pop the balloon. So I can tell this balloon is still too soft. It just feels too soft. So I'm going to put a little bit more air in. Okay. And that now feels firm. We've still got the creases around the balloon, which is what we want. We still want to have those creases, but it should feel firm. But at the same time, you should be able to walk your fingers around the edges of the balloon and the balloon springs back, so it doesn't feel overinflated. If you overinflate these, there is a risk of them bursting either whilst you're inflating or at a later point. So the thing to bear in mind is that the gas inside the balloon, whether you're inflating with air or with helium, the gas will expand in the warm weather, and so you always want to have a little bit of room for expansion in case the weather warms up. So that's how you air inflate a foil number 5 balloon. One thing I would mention, a tip I will give, is that whenever I'm making one of the balloon bouquets, the balloon number displays, I always inflate my foil balloons first, and that's because I want to make sure they're okay. And by the time I've finished making the base, etc., by the time I need to put the numbers on the balloons, I will know whether there's a problem with the number balloon. So that's my top tip: inflate your foil balloons first and then make the rest of your design. I'll see you again very soon.